What are these numbers telling us? Some children in a park are standing in a line. Each one says a number. What do you think these numbers mean? The children may rearrange themselves and again each one says a number based on the arrangement. So, seeing to this picture, each person says the number of the taller neighbor they have. Neighbor means next to them, whoever they are, their neighbor. Okay, children at corner will say 0 or 1. So, children at the corner will not have both the sides, right? They will have only one person either to the left or to the right. Got it? So, in the middle person may either say 0, 1 or 2. Got it? Next. So, each person says the number of the taller neighbor they have. So, they have to say the number of the taller person which they have. Okay? So, see here. If, what is the rule given? The child says 1 if they are only one taller child standing next to them. Yes? So, first person is having one taller child standing next to them. Correct? Or you are listening? So, what will the child say? 1 or 2 or 0? Understood? So, maximum one taller person can be in the neighbor of the child. Either side. Okay. So, either left or right. Only one person will be the maximum height, which is taller. So, the maximum one taller person can be a neighbor of the children standing at end. So 2 is not possible. Correct? 2 means both the children standing next to them are taller. So in the corner 2 is not possible. Got it? So first question, can the children rearrange themselves so that the children standing at the end says 2? So what is the answer? Each child says the number of the taller neighbor they have. Since maximum one taller person can be the neighbor of the children standing at end, so 2 is not possible. That is answer for the first question. Understood? Second question, can we arrange the children in a line so that all would say only zeros? Is it possible to arrange the children in a line so that all would say only zero? All children should say zero, right? That is the condition they have given. If their neighbor is not taller to them, if the neighbor child is not taller only, they have to say zero, correct? This is only possible when all of them are of same height. So is it possible? Is this possible? Since all of them are of the same size only, it will be possible. All of them should say 0 if all of them are same size, same height. So they are of different heights, so it's not possible. Got it? Moving on to the third question. Can two children standing next to each other say the same number? Is it possible? So, two children standing next to each other would say the same number. So, they have two conditions. Okay. If each of them are exactly one person taller. So, if the middle person, one should be taller and other should be short. Okay. Exactly one person taller two on either sides. Correct? Understood? What is another condition? If two children and their neighbors have same height. Okay? Like question number 2, if they have same height only, it is possible. Got it? So, is this condition be satisfied? Yes. Two people standing next to each other have same number 1 or 0. But it can't be 2. Because 2 means what? Standing next to them should be taller. Understood, ma? If you have doubt, you can ask me. Shall we move on to the next question? What is our next question? Not superset. I completed only 3 questions, right? Read the fourth question. Hmm. Hmm. So there are five children in the group. All are of different heights. Okay. So can they stand such that four of them say one and the last one says zero? Why or why not? So if you put the children such that their heights are increasing. If you write from ascending order to descending order, are you all listening? So increasing order, this will be possible. Okay. For example, if we arrange the five children in increasing order of height from tallest to shortest, you will get this result. Okay. So from tallest to shortest we have to arrange. If you arrange like that, you will get the answer. Okay. Each of the other four children have one taller neighbor, the other before them. So one shorter neighbor, one taller neighbor. Got it? So one after the other. So they all say one. So they can say the value as one. One means what? Taller child stand next to them. So in the descending order you have to arrange. Got it, ma? So tallest child is at the end of the line. Their other neighbor is shorter. So they say zero. Got it? Any doubt? So yeah, whatever I am saying orally, I want you to write it below this question. Okay? So yes, it is possible. And the five children means we have to arrange it in the increasing order, tallest to shortest. Each of the other four children have has one taller neighbor and the other of them before them. So one shorter neighbor, that means the one after them or no neighbor if they are at the end. They all say one. Okay. So the tallest child is at the end of the line. Their only neighbor is shorter. Say the value as zero. Understood? Fifth question. For this group of five children is a sequence 1 comma 1 comma 1. So how many? Five ones possible are they asking. So well, as we saw it in the last question, the tallest child has no taller neighbor. Yes or no? The tallest child, will it have a neighbor? Is it possible? No. So it would have the value as 0. Tallest child will have the value as 0. It can't have 1. So thus this is not possible. Understood, ma? Next one is the sequence 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 0 possible. Why or why not? Okay. So how many children do we have? Five children. So 0 means the child 1 have no taller neighbor. 0 means what? Child 1, no taller neighbor. Correct? Is it visible or shall I share you the white screen? Do you understand? Okay. So this means child 1 is greater than child 2. Correct? If the value is 1, child 2 has a taller neighbor. Child 2 will have one taller neighbor. Right? Understood? Child 1 is tall. This means that child 1 is taller than, I will write C1, you write it fully. Child 1 is taller than child 2. So, how do we represent that? Child 3 is less than child 2. Correct? Moving on to the value 2. 2 means child 3. The child 3 having two taller neighbors. Correct? Child 2 is, child 2, the child 2, whoever is standing, will be taller than the child 3. Child 2 will be taller than child 3. So thus, how do you write it as? Child 3 is less than child 4. Understood? Any doubt? Next, moving on to the next value. 1. 1 means child 4. If you take the value as 1 for child 4, that means child 4 is having one taller neighbor. That means C3 is taller than C4. So C4 is greater than C5. Understood, ma? If you give 0 for the child 5, it does not have any no taller neighbor. Okay. That means child 4 is greater than child 5. So the sequence 0, 1, 2, 1, 0 is possible. Got it? So I will tell you how the figure looks. So one tall person, 0, then 1, then shorter than that is 2, then taller, so 1, then taller than that 0. Understood? This is how the child stands. So I have drawn this as the person. Okay, it's that standing line as a person. Okay, understood? Any doubts, ma? Shall we move on to the next question? How would you rearrange the 5 children so that the maximum number of children, say 2? Okay. So the maximum number of children you can say is 2. Okay. So to get the child to say 2, they must be standing in the middle. Correct? So they have to stand on both the sides. Middle number, taller child should stand on both the sides. With 5 children, we can recreate at most 2 such cases. Okay. So we can write 2 cases regarding to this. So for example, using the height 5 is equal to tallest to 1. We will write from 5 to 1. Okay. The child with height 1 is between 4 and 5. The child who is having the height of 1 is arranged between 4 and 5. Okay. So that they say 2. Understood? The child of height 2 will be arranged between 5 and 3. Got it? Any doubt till this? So, understood, ma? So, how your diagram will represent one tall person, one short person, one tall person, medium size, then one tall person. So, this 2 will represent the value as 2 because both the sides you have what? Taller persons. Understood? So, you can write the value as 4, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3 as per the diagram. Okay, child representation. Any doubt till this? Will you write very neatly and send me?